So what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to do a piggyback challenge versus Robert or Janjan. Okay, so before we do anything else guys, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So, whose team will gonna win? Without further ado, let's go! Okay, one, two, three, go! Go! Okay, Robert. Scaring me. How many? Okay, how many minutes will Jan Jan? Ay, lapas na lubi ha. Na may lubi dito. Kani na lubi ako. Kani straight na ayaw lapas na. Kabi ay po lapas. Okay, Jan Jan. Come on, let's go. Oh no.
3:27?
How many minutes? Yeah, let's go. Turn around. Ha? Do you think na si Jan Jan adira iblo ka masking dili? Come on, Jan Jan, you can do it. Can you beat Robert? Jan Jan. Can Robert beat you? Robert, I can Jan Jan beat you? Can you do it? You can do it. Ano ba? Mara kita kay kontra ba? Yeah, you lose. You will lose. Okay. Yeah, you lose. Is it Jan Jan? Jan Jan will gonna win or Robert? Can you win? Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's try. If you can win this challenge. Robert, you're gonna lose. Who's the winner, guys? Yeah. Come on. Jan Jan, we're gonna win this. Can you turn around? Okay. See? Don't surpass the Jan Jan's uncle or the lubi or what? All right, let's go. Tuhod. Robert, what do you call this? Robert is doing some technique right here, guys. Og-opat. Come on. Can Robert win? Asa naman ko? Og isa. Ay, lapas ka sa malubi. Ay, lapas sa lubi. Yati. One hood. Okay. So, how many minutes Jan Jan can take this? Ay, lapas na. Robert. Can you do it more, Robert? Come on, let's go. Oo. Jan Jan is doing some squats. Sige, mag-basketball. Robert, what you are doing? Huh? Is that you are doing? Come on. You can do it more. Di pangalan ako ba? You can do more, Robert. Yung salo niyo, okay? Wala yung salo. Adto dagat hagbong. Oh, katupong naman. We can put some effects. Hagbong mo sa turaan. Come on, Robert. Jan Jan is strong. Come on, Robert. Stronger than you. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell for more videos. Pag kuma-edit na, pa man ilan ang just comment down below what's our next versus challenge. Okay? Sige, asot ko. So, Jan Jan, are you okay right now? Diri, how we do? Are you good? Sa tuhod ba? Okay, cut! Tuhod, awit lagi. Ana, muna sakto paghawid. Ari bari. Di ba?
Wala.
Ana, awit di. Go! Ana, para wala eh. Dili ko mangusog diri sa paa. Kaya wad to kay maanawan ko.
Mapiit.
Yeah. Oh, hi. Kanta sabi. Sabi sayo.
Man lang nag-isip, ika man lang nagsiya.
Nga nung gipinger na lang.
Wala naman ako masamang intention sa'yo. Gusto ko lang naman ang kunting intention mo. Really?
Kasi intention? Attention?
Bahala ah. Wala naman
Come
ako
on.
masamang intention sa'yo.
Robert, can you do it more?
Gusto ko lang naman ang
Kaubo na.
kunting intention mo.
Mataas ba? Pagkit ang ginamutin ron.
Just because of my face? Do you think I'm a fucking tension? What
You have a bad intention?
Oh, you have a bad intention. What a discrimination. It's not all about the loose. It's
Loose.
stupid. Wow.
It's not you surrender now?
Di pa.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Put me up.
No.
Can you, Jan Jan, let's go. Come. Ano to lubot niya to. Come on, Robert. Oh.
Nakita ko mo.
Nagkani lagi hawid akong kwan.
It's me.
Ano, surrender na ka? Ay, lapas lagi. Ay, lapas. Okay, down. Okay, clap dyan, clap. So guys, who do you think win the challenge? So, is it Robert or Janjan?
Tension.
So,
Lot of fucking tension.
the winner is...
All about the loose.
Who's the winner?
Wow.
Janjan or Robert? So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So the real winner is... Tanadadan! Here's a text here, guys. Who's the winner? Okay. Editor, let's go. So, until next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you liked our video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell for more videos like this. And comment down below, guys, what's our next challenge. So, until next time, see you for the next vlog. Bye-bye!